Hi guys, today we are going to teach you how to make beehive cookies or kueh lobang in Hokkien. These are the ingredients needed to make kueh lobang. 250 g of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 150 g of sugar, some thick coconut milk, 2 eggs, cooking oil, and a beehive cookie mold. Put sugar in a big bowl and 2 eggs in it. Mix it until the sugar gets dissolved. Put in the coconut milk slowly into the egg mixture and mix it well. Then, sieve together the rice flour and the all-purpose flour. Put the rice flour and all-purpose flour gradually into the mixture and whisk until they combine really well. Strain the mixture. Heat up enough cooking oil in a wok on high heat. Make sure that the oil is well heated before you begin. Transfer the mold into the batter and dip enough to cover the sides neatly, leaving the top surface batter free. Transfer the mold into the hot oil, keeping it immersed for about 15 seconds. Lightly shake to free the cookie and leave the mold in the hot oil. Let the first cookie fry while you bring in the second cookie. When the first cookie has turned golden brown, remove the cookie and drain on a sieve. Let cool completely and store in an airtight containers. And it's done.